So hello guys, welcome back to the next vlog. Welcome back to AKS vlog. So today we are going on a ride to Lapa, and we have got 3 bikes today. One is M209, Benelli 600 and Gixxer 600. So here we go. So it's already 6:44 p.m. and we are just going right now. So yeah, it's gonna be a crazy ride. It's been a long time since I haven't been vlogging, so yeah, after a long time I am vlogging right now. And because it was currently the past 3 weeks was crazy. It was dripping, man, it was dripping. I'm gonna ride today. So मेरोमा चाहिँ यो एक्जस्ट चाहिँ छैन गाइज हैन. Oh my god man, look at their bikes. So guys, if you are ever planning to buy some sports bike, then yeah, you should know about the heating problem on this sports bike. It's too damn freaking hot, man. म बिचमा बस्नु पर्ला अब. सो गाइज चाहिँ हाम्रो अगाडि चाहिँ पिच देखिरहेछ हैन, यो दुईटा बाइकमा भएको. हाम्रो मनिष सोल्टीको चाहिँ हाम्रो यहाँ पेट्रोल हाल्नुपर्ने अवस्था हैन. मैले चाहिँ बिहानै मेरो फिलअप गरिसकेँ, त्यही भएर पुग्छ मलाई चाहिँ जति नै. जिक्सर म्यान, जिक्सर दिस इज माई स्पट. सो यहाँ हाम्रो चाहिँ यहाँ अमन सोल्टीको MT09 आज लिएको नयाँ उसको लागि चाहिँ हैन. So this is 2015 model. He has just changed the tire. It's completely new. So yeah, he have changed the LED side lights. That's it. अनि मैले चाहिँ मेरो बाइकमा धेरै केही पनि चेन्ज गरेर चाहिँ स्टिकर हालेछ हैन. अनि त्यही एउटा अलिअलि चल्कन यसो अलिकति हुन्छ नि, दामी टाइपको हालेछ. We are going on a ride today. Hi man. Yeah, good.
Why, boss?
See.
You're not allowed to put that on your head, eh? You're allowed to put it here, yeah?
Yeah. Because it gives a clear view, you know.
Yes,
From here it's.
yes.
That's 2008.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the LED light on this one, the front light.
Oh, yeah, good box.
So you guys going to Lapa?
Yeah, go on up first.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, beautiful.
So option here, koda exhaust there. He has got their exhaust instead of me. I'm just, you know, silence guy. Yeah, so we have got 3 guys, Gixxer guys, man. हाम्रो अमन सोल्टी चाहिँ पछाडि बसेर पुरा हाम्रो भ्यू हेरेर 8वटा बाइक भयो. ठिकै छ, म पनि कुदाउँछु भनेको त. धन्य हान्दै यार. कुदायो. अझै त्यतिको आवेशमा आएर हान्दै थिएँ. So guys, we have finally reached Lapa. Oh man, look. I'm here. So this is the main bikers meeting point. Wait. So guys, we have reached Lapa, eh? Oh my god, man, look at that tide. Tide here, na? Koda ase there. So let's go, guys. It was a windy day in Lapa today, and we are just returning back from Lapa to our homes. कैसा लगा मेरा इंग्लिश रे? So दामी मजा आयो guys, हैन? So yeah, I'm not sure about this vlog because I haven't captured that much. So yeah, if the footage is right and the footage is good, then I will just edit the video and just post it today, eh?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Wait, police sounds like police, yeah. Yeah. Okay, see you next time, bro. So it was an evening ride. It was a short ride, not a long ride. So yeah, as I all said earlier, I'm going ride full ride which is on 27th of March, which is like I think 17 days from today. It's gonna be an epic ride, eh? If you like the vlog, then do subscribe.